In a discovery termed exceptional, the wreckage of a 2000-year-old sunk Roman cargo ship has been found off the coast of Italy. The ancient cargo ship wreckage was discovered on a seabed which is around 50 miles northwest of the capital city of Rome. The Roman vessel named Capo Corso II may have sunk while transporting glass from the Middle East to France. The vessel, which belongs to the 1st or 2nd century BC, contained hundreds of ancient Roman terracotta jars named amphora, many of which were found still intact in the wreckage. The ship, estimated to be more than 20 meters long, was discovered on a sandy seabed 160 meters below the sea level. The authorities are now working to ensure that the site is protected, as hundreds of amphora are illegally taken each year and discovered in the homes of art dealers by Italian police. The exceptional discovery is an important example of the shipwreck of a Roman ship facing the perils of the sea in an attempt to reach the coast and bears witness to old maritime trading routes, the police unit said in a statement. The police art squad, which is in charge of protecting Italy's priceless cultural heritage, said that the relic was found and filmed using a remotely operated robot. They did not say whether experts will now try and recover it or its precious cargo from the seafloor. It is not known what the Roman jars on board would have been used for, although typically amphora were used to transport goods such as oil, wine, or fish sauce. Such artifacts are widely found throughout the ancient Eastern Mediterranean world. The discovery of wrecked ships is not unusual. There are said to be thousands dotted around the entire Mediterranean. In 2018, a Greek merchant ship dating back more than 2500 years was found lying on its side of the Bulgarian coast and was held as officially the world's oldest known intact shipwreck. Also in 2018, dozens of shipwrecks were found in the Aegean Sea dating back to the Greek, Roman and Byzantine eras. The coastline of Italy is teeming with underwater treasures which are regularly patrolled by police scuba divers to protect them from looters.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.